Here are 12 reasons to pursue as software tester. First, it's challenging.
Because there are constantly puzzles and problems to solve, the job will likely bring something new every day.
Second, you're constantly learning.
Whether you're starting to code, automate, or security test, there's always more to learn in a software testing career.
Third, it's important.
Because testers don't always get enough recognition for the work they do, but we'd be lost without them.
Fourth, you get to test the limit.
Testers don't actually break software, but it can be really fun to find a bug no one thought existed in software.
Fifth, it's creative.
Because you're the one who has to get creative when thinking of places there may be inconsistencies.
Sixth, there are many paths.
Testers are valuable in basically any industry, from healthcare to retail to video games.
7, it's data-driven.
While most testers need to have a foundation of developing and coding as a baseline, they're also analyzing day-to-day data and product trends.
8th, it's in demand.
If you want a high-growth, high-paying career, software tester is the way to go.
9, you will love your colleagues.
You'll always be collaborating with smart, interesting, and passionate people who share the same interests as you at every level in the organization.
10, it's a specialized skill.
It requires in-depth knowledge of UI/UX design and development patterns and practices, as well as analytical and communication skills.
11, there's a strong community.
One of the best things about being a tester is the insanely supportive and robust community.
And last, it's rewarding.
You're essentially helping your company build a better product.
Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, then share with others and comment below.